Hey guys, each time you're having a bad day, just remember that there is somebody like me that keeps losing all my entire money to gambling, even though I know very sure that I'm never gonna win. Go please. 41, go please. 2, 3, 4. That is just a glimpse of my dilemma, but I'm very focused on making a millionaire from gambling. What up, ladies and gentlemen? Here you can see 2 sachets water. Each time I make a loss, I need to consume 1. So if I make about 10 losses, I need to consume 10 sachets water. So on my page here, 1,000 naira has been deposited. I just pray I come out successful. God please. Now, which one are we trying? Let's start with Super Kick. I have Super Kick, I have Mad Punch. Let's go with Super Kick because Super Kick, the recent time, Mad Punch has not been faithful. I'm kind of scared, bro. I'm really scared, but I don't give a damn, bro. We don't give a damn. Like, we need to 1.60, what the fuck? Wait, let me go with 500 first. 500 first. 500, bro. 500. Oh, please, just deliver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh god. Fuck you. Bro, if this one should count, I'm playing the next one. I don't give it. This one is counting. I must. It's a must. Why did I just waste? Oh yeah. God, please. Just play this game. Play. 2 odd. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 attempts. I need to consume this 2 water. Bro, my money don't finish. Someone just drop a hilarious comment say, my money don't finish. What the fuck is this thing, bro? What the fuck is wrong with this shit? So wait, let's check on that one. Let's check on that one, bro. Let's check. What does the video have to offer? You don't get it. Why did I come to this one? Why didn't I come to this place? Let's make a second attempt. So I lost the first 1,000 deposit. Let me try the second attempt and I pray I become successful. But surprisingly, I was successful. So let's see how it goes. God, please, God. Just 1, just 2. That's country. This is very risky. 4th one, God, please. 4th one, God, please. 2, 3. Fuck! Let's do 200 now. 200, please. 200. Why am I so unlucky? Why am I so fucking unlucky, bro? Like, why am I? 2, bro. Being greedy. 2, bro. 800 now. So, what can we do again? Let's top it up to 290. 290, bro. 290. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's go with 3 odd. 3 odd, we ain't greedy. 3 odd. Yes! 2,000 or nothing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bro, what am I saying, bro? What the fuck is this? So I was just wavering to and fro with some few winnings and some few losses. I decided to take the big decision to go totally offline and let him cook. So, bro, the game has really been uneasy, bro. Like, look over here, bro. From 2K that we lost, here's our account balance. How much do you see there? 5,000. So tomorrow, if you come over to the history here, we have my bet history. We've really been winning here. There are different bets that I made. So this is all we have for today, and I pray tomorrow will be more successful. We still have 5,000. Tomorrow our target is 10,000. So slowly we build up to 1 million, and let's see if it can be successful. Hope you have a wonderful day, and tomorrow we kick off the challenge all together again. So bye.